Hello students, I'm your Shrestha ma'am back again here to explain you class 4 lesson number 9. What is your lesson number 9 students? The soils of India. From the heading only and from the chapter name only students, you get to know that we have to study about the soils of India in our chapter. That what variety and what types of soils are there found in India. Student, what do you understand by soil? Soil is a mixture of sand in which some nutrients are there, and that is in the uppermost layer of the earth. Uppermost layer of the earth means the top. When you go on the road, you see side muds are also there, or anywhere you all have seen the muddy area, that is the first layer of our earth students. Okay, here we have to study in the chapter. I have written the short notes on the blackboard, on the whiteboard. You will read it and I am going to explain it, then you will understand which type of soils are there found in our country. Students, soil is the uppermost layer of the sand that contains some small particles of rocks. So soil, from where soil came out students? Soil came out from the rocks. The old ancient times mountains, lavas are there. That mountains lava cools down and that gives you some rocks. So from that rock soil has been made. So we have to study the varieties of soil here. Just look on the whiteboard student. The soil is what? The soil is the uppermost layer of the earth, that contains some small particles of rocks which have nutrients in it. Already in previous chapters you have studied soil is having the nutrients, and you have studied one name also which nutrient gives soil. So that is the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a soil which is having the very good nutrients. So the fertility of the soil is very good and it gives good product. Here this alluvial soil is found where students? In Himalayan rivers. Okay, Himalayan rivers deposited fine silt in their area. So from that delta we are getting the alluvial soil, and in this soil we can grow some crops like rice, sugarcane, wheat, pulses, jute, vegetables, etc. Next is what student? Next is the black soil. The northwestern it is found where soil black soil is found student. Black soil is found in the northwestern part, and it is black in color and it is made of lava. Lava is a hot liquid which comes out from the mountain. When it cools down, we get the black soil there. We can grow sugarcane and cotton from in the black soil. Okay student, in which areas black soil is found? We are growing sugarcane and cotton. Which area alluvial soil is found? We are growing rice, sugarcane, wheat, pulses, jute, vegetables, etc. Then the number 4th is red soil. Students, where is the red soil found? Red soil is found in the east south of Deccan Plateau. In the northwestern part of Deccan Plateau, black soil is found, and in the eastern south of the Deccan Plateau has the red soil students. Okay, this is the crystalline soil. It's just look like a crystal, and it is made up of metamorphic rocks. Now students, the crops which you can grow here are jowar, bajra, pulses, groundnuts, etc. Next is student mountain soil. This mountain is found from the heading only in the mountains where the soil is very coarse and pieces of stones are there. In this you can grow fruits. It is orchards areas where orchard area are there. That areas means in the areas where orchards are there, that area soil is found. Then desert soil. Already from the heading only student, desert, it means Rajasthan and the sandy area in our country. We are getting date, gram, etc. Next is student laterite soil. Laterite soil, due to high temperature and heavy rainfall, very less types of crops are grown here. The crops which grown here are tea, coffee, rubber, cashew nut, etc. These crops are these 4-5 crops are also grown here students because of the products of fertility, whatever we are giving in here in the agriculture. Okay, whatever the fertilizers we are mixing, due to that we are getting some amount of here that you can say the crops or vegetables or whatever the things because of the very good agriculture products. Okay students, here students, your all chapter 9 is being over. Now students, you have to do revision of lesson 9 by reading of the chapter. You are having alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, mountain soil, desert soil and laterite soil. You are having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of soil. Okay student, you are having 6 types of soil. So you have to keep this in the mind. How many types of soils are there? We are having 6 types of soil, that where it is found and what are the crops where it is grown. Okay students, so here students, your interesting chapter Soils of India is over. Now we will meet in lesson number 10 students. Okay, so wait for the next video of Shrestha ma'am. Okay students, have a nice day students. Thank you.